When you are out the road, anything can happen, whether it's a fender bender, reckless drivers, or just those unexpected moments you wish you could replay later. Having a dashcam in your car isn't just smart anymore, it's essential. And today, we are diving into a product that promises to be more than just a basic dashcam. This is the Pilsi P1 4K 1080p dual dashcam, and it's loaded with features that could easily rival higher-end competitors without breaking the bank. So let's start with what you get in the box. Inside, you will find the mini Wi-Fi dashcam itself with a 64GB memory card already pre-installed. That's right, no need to run out and buy a separate SD card on the day one. Alongside that, you get a rear camera with a 6-meter cable, a car charger that's around 11.5 feet long, an installation tool, and of course, the user manual. It's a pretty complete package and setup is straightforward, whether you are a DIY person or not. Now, let's talk about performance, because that's where this thing really shines. The front camera records a stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, giving you ultra clear footage with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. It uses 170-degree wide-angle lens to capture everything in front of your vehicle, more than enough to cover multiple lenses and intersections. The rear camera complements it beautifully, shooting in 1080p Full HD with a 150-degree field of view. Whether you are parking, reversing, or just keeping an eye on what's going on behind you, the rear cam adds an extra layer of protection and awareness. But here's something that really impressed me: the built-in Wi-Fi and smartphone app control. The Pilsi Cam app is available for both iOS and Android, and once the camera's Wi-Fi is turned on, you can connect your phone to it directly. From there, you can preview recordings in real time, download clips straight to your phone, replay incidents, and even do some live editing before sharing the footage with friends and insurance companies. It's incredibly convenient and takes away the hassle of dealing with memory cards and card readers. Another standout feature is the voice control. Yes, you can control this dashcam just by talking to it. Say simple commands like turn on audio recording or take photo or log video, and the camera responds instantly. This makes it much safer to use while driving because you're keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Honestly, voice control in a dashcam is a feature I didn't realize I needed until I had it, and now I don't want to go back. Nighttime driving? No problem. The Pilsi P1 Duo dashcam is equipped with an 1.5 aperture and a 6-layer optical lens system that works together to pull in as much light as possible. Even in dark conditions, it captures clear details like license plates and road signs at night, and also reduces glare from headlights and street lights. This level of night vision performance is usually seen in much more expensive dashcam. Now, let's talk about protection while you are not even in the car. The Pilsi P1 has a 24-hour parking mode, which automatically kicks in when your car is turned off. If the camera detects motion or an impact while parked, it starts recording and logs that footage for review. This is great if you're worried about hit and runs, vandalisms, or just want a second pair of eyes on your vehicle while it's sitting in a parking lot. There's even a time-lapse mode that converses both storage space and battery life. By considering long hours into short video clips, for the parking features to work optimally, you will need to install a ACC hardware kit. But if you ask me, it's worth the extra effort for round-the-clock protection. Speaking of recording, storage management is smart and efficient. The included 64GB memory card is already inside the camera. But if you need more space, the system supports up to 256GB cards. And thanks to loop recording, you don't have to worry about running out of space. It automatically overwrites the oldest files to make room for new ones. Combine that with the G-Sensor, which detects sudden movements or crashes and instantly logs that footage. And you have got a system that knows exactly when to hold on to important moments. On the usability front, the dashcam features a 1.5-inch IPS display. It's small, yes, but clear and responsive enough to let you check settings, playback recordings, and confirm the camera is working. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, whether you are tech-savvy or not. Navigating the settings and options is straightforward. From a design perspective, the main camera is compact, minimal, and easy to install on your windshield without obstructing on your view. The rear camera's 6-meter cable is long enough to install it neatly in a sedan, SUV, or even a van. The car charger is also long and flexible, allowing you to position the cam wherever it's more convenient for you. And here's the thing, it's not just about specs and features. This dashcam delivers what it really counts: reliability and clarity. Whether it's a sudden stop, someone rear-ending you, or capturing beautiful scenic drives, you'll always have sharp, stabilized footage to back you up or share with others. In terms of value for money, the Pilsi P1 dashcam punches well above its weight. You are getting 4K resolution, 1080p rear coverage, voice commands, night vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking mode, and even a pre-installed 64GB card, all bundled into a device that's easy to install and operate. So, who is this dashcam for? I would say it's perfect for everyday drivers, commuters, ride-share drivers, and even road trip lovers who want to document their journey. It's also a great pick for anyone who parks their car outside or in a public garage and wants that added peace of mind. If you're in the market for a dashcam that offers advanced features without an overwhelming setup or a premium price tag, this is a seriously good option to consider. The build quality is solid, the footage is clear day and night, and the extras like app control and voice commands make it stand out in a crowded market. And that's it for today's review. If you have any questions about the Pilsi P1 dashcam or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment down below. I will be checking and replying. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rafi Gadget Reviews for more smart, in-depth tech content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay smarter. Bye bye.